Ladies and germs and wiggly worms, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn how to make this notepad. First things first, printer paper. But if you want your pen to glide like butter, I suggest a higher weight paper like this. This one's 32-pound paper. Mod Podge, some chipboard so it won't be floppy. Nobody likes floppy notepads. And this clippy bob and a small brush. All right, now for printing. Either create your design like I did here in Procreate, or find it on Canva, or insert preferred search engine to find a design. So here it is, I'm gonna print it. First thing I do, I put 2 copies on one page. That will maximize how many notepad papers I'll get. And of course, I'll put it in color and send it to print. And in a moment, you'll see it printing, yeah. Okay, so everyone knows this. Put the printer paper in, print it out, wait until it prints. Takes a while sometimes. Then after it prints, you just bring it up to the light and admire your work. Oh yeah, look at that, so awesome. Now let's clear up a space so we can use our cutter while we cut these papers. A word from our sponsor. Just kidding, I am not sponsored by anyone. I'm doing this by myself, with my money. But if you're liking my videos so far, you can go ahead and subscribe, like and comment, and click the notification bell so you won't miss a new tutorial from my channel. And as always, all the materials that I used today will be listed in the description box. Please know that these are affiliate links and it will not affect the amount of money that you pay for the item. It will just help me earn a little something so that I can keep creating videos and teach you stuff. Ugh, I hate this part. I feel like a shameless promoter. But anyway, I'm gonna fast forward now. Alright, here's the last cut and we put it all together. The next step is to cut the backing using the chipboard. So there you go. Oh wow, looking like a notepad already. So here's the backing. We are going to cut it to fit the shape of the notepad. Alright, let's put it all together now. Looking pretty good so far. Now it's time for the fun part. Funner than this, gluing it together. Alright, there we go. And here we are. We're going to glue the pages together. So I normally put a sheet in the front and in the back of scrap paper that I have lying around that will help to prevent the glue from going on the back or in the front. And I'm putting clips on the side, that's why you need clips. These clips will hold all the pages together, and so it can be easier for you to put the glue. So now the next part is the Mod Podge. You can also use Elmer's glue, but if you want a stronger hold, Mod Podge or a binding glue would work a lot better. So here's the magic of the tiny brush. Just gonna, there you go, showing you how to do it. You just swipe it across a couple of times. Now when you do this, it's best to do this maybe 2 to 3 times after you let it sit for a bit and dry at least 15 to 20 minutes. And after you do that, you can go over a couple of times and you can add more glue. This will help hold all the pages together. And after you do that, you put the clip on top, and this will also prevent the glue from going in between the pages. And after waiting around 30 minutes, there you go, a notepad, yes. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, please like, comment, and share. Thank you, love you, bye.